Hi, I'm Zach Snook, Director of Product Management at Biamp Systems, and I'm here at ISE 2026 to talk to you about Workplace Tools. Workplace Tools is the newest addition to our workplace platform. It's really designed around the installer focus. How do we help installers of our products be more successful and more complete system within their install lifecycle? So things like mass deploying firmware across all of our product lines is solved by Workplace Tools. We have an AI agent that can help you with manuals and install instructions and any question you would have about our products. We can look at device settings and dive in and set up the setting all from one software platform. And ultimately, this becomes the single deployment tool that installers can use to make sure that they install everything across our platform-wide experience. To learn more about Workplace Tools and any of our other products, visit us at www.biamp.com.